Hail Satan, almighty overlord of everything we stand for on this earth. Satan is the only God.
The only God? Do you understand me, you tiny piece of shit?
Hail Satan, almighty overlord of everything that we stand on this earth.
Satan is the only God. Do you understand me, you tiny piece of shit? Do you understand that you are worth nothing in this world and will die any day now?
Hail Satan.
Hail Satan, the almighty overlord and supreme ruler of the earth and everything else. Satan is the only God, you tiny piece of shit, motherfucking cuntbag, piece of fucking asshole.
I have come out.
My name is Bangholio. Do you have any food for my... Hail Satan, almighty overlord and ruler of the supreme earth and God. Hail Satan, almighty overlord and supreme ruler of God and everything we stand for. Satan rocks, my friend. Satan rocks. Drug? I can't... It's upside down, my friend. Upside down. Gotta go this way. Damn it. This way. Hail Satan. This way. Hail Satan. Satan is the almighty overlord of supreme earth.
Whoa.
Hey.
Fuck you! When Satan comes down and rips your tiny asshole open wide so that you get your fucking cunt ripped open too, you will burn in hell, you motherfucking piece of shit!
Yes. You and me, friend? We're on the same boat. You and me? We both take drugs. Both of us take drugs. I can tell. I can tell you take drugs. Okay? I can tell it. Yes, I can. You know why? Because Satan's awesome, and so is Star Wars. Now let's do a dance. Fuck you. You have to agree to dance with me. No.
Hail Satan, the almighty supreme ruler of the underworld and overworld.
Fuck you, okay? Honestly, you don't even... Hey, man, you got a sword in the background. Hey, fuck you!